Hi, my name is David from WhereasServers.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to host your movies or any copyright-related websites easily with WhereasServers.com. You must need DMCA ignored hosting service. Stay tuned and let's get started. Hosting a website can be a painful task if the provider is not cooperative. But with the right web hosting provider like us, WhereasServers.com, it can be an easy and rewarding experience. AltoHost is a reliable and affordable web hosting provider that makes setting up and managing your website simple, with our customer support team standing by 24/7 to assist you throughout any issues or questions you have. Then make sure you have everything you need to get your site up and running. When beginning the process of hosting a website, there are several steps you need to complete. In order to get started, the first step is to choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. We offer several options, ranging from starter shared plans for smaller websites all the way up to more advanced dedicated server plans for larger sites with higher traffic levels. Once you've selected the plan that fits your needs, it's time to register a domain name for your site. This step requires some research, as different domains often have different prices, renewal cycles, and availability dates, so be sure to shop around before settling on one. After registering a domain, the next step is setting up the server itself. AltoHost makes this process easy by providing access to an intuitive control panel which allows users to configure their settings and install any necessary software quickly and easy. Once everything is set up properly, it's time to upload files such as HTML pages, images, audio, video, or other documents needed for your site's content, as well as install any necessary plugins or themes required by your content management system. Finally, once everything is ready, it's time to launch your website. WhereasServers.com can give your websites boost by 200 times with our next generation servers, which use NVMe, that are 7 times faster than regular speeds. All our plans come with unlimited bandwidth and 24/7 support with unlimited free server migrations from any host. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon.